Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Today we will see the basic counting techniques. What is about that? Okay, exist some experiments that have maybe so many results. Yeah, so many possible results. In that cases, when the results and the elements are so many, you need to use a basic counting techniques. Okay, the first one is the fundamental counting principle. Okay, when you have p ways to do one thing and q ways to do something else, another thing, you have p times q ways to do the path. Okay, for example, suppose that you have three shirts. Yeah, I will use the letter A, B, and C to that shirts, and you have 4 pens. Okay, in that case, the name of that pens are W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so you have 3 times 4 equals to 12 different results for that experiment. Okay, this is the fundamental counting principle. Now we will see the tree diagram. Visual structures that you can use to organize the informations and the result for one experiment. Yeah, remember, all the possible results for one experiment, maybe if are so many, maybe you can confuse. Yeah, or you have problem to count it. Okay, so exist that kind of diagrams. The tree diagram, it's a graphical representation, yeah, to list all the possible results of the series of experiments. Okay, for example, here, when you flip or toss a coin, you have 2 results. Yeah, you can use the tree diagram when you have two ways of do something. Okay, for example, here the result when you flip a coin, you can get a head or tail. Yeah, but if you have 2 coins and you flip the bat, you can get 4 different results. Yeah, you can get a head and head, head and tail, tail and head, or tail and tail. Maybe some of you think that head and tail or tail and head are the same result. No. Remember, if you are using 2 coins, yeah, if you use, for example, 1 peso coin and 5 pesos coin, get head in the 1 peso coin and tail in the 5 pesos coin. But the next one is 1 tail for the 5 pesos coin and a head for the 1 peso coin. Yeah, it's different. Okay, well, if you have 3 coins and you flip it, yeah, you flip them, so you can get 8 different results. Yeah, so in that case, this is the probability for every result. Here too, this is a probability for every result. Okay, so the tree diagram is very important to organize your results for one experiment. Now, the double entry tables. Again, a double entry table, it's a representation of all the result of one experiment. Yeah, for example, here, this is the table. Let's suppose that one of the high school groups is distributed like this. Okay, exist 17 girls, okay, and 13 boys. And we know that we have 3 girls and 4 boys that use her or his left hand, okay. So you can organize that information here, okay. For example, here, if you use that row for the men, left-handed men are only 4, yeah. The rest are right hand, okay. If was 13 boys, the rest are 9, okay, total 13 women. If you have 70 girls and 3 girls are left hand, so the rest 14 are right hand, okay, the total 17. And you can use additional row and additional column. That is very important to calculate that, yeah. For example, here the total of the left hand and the total of the right hand, okay. For example, to calculate one probability when you select a man, okay, 13 men of 30 students, yeah. For example, to select the probability to select a woman, there are 17 girls of 30 students, yeah. If you select one man, what is the probability that that man is left-handed, yeah. 4 of 30, yeah, because only 4 men have left hand. If you select a woman, what is the probability that she is right hand? 14 of 30, okay. And what is the probability when you select one student of that group, that student is left-handed? 7 of 30, okay. This is all about the theory. Now we will see the exercise that you will send me for the homework. Okay, for the homework you will create a tree diagram of rolling of 2 dice, okay. So in Word you can create that diagram. You can insert, yeah, and use the small art, okay, and select the hierarchy chart, for example that one, yeah. And you need to modify that. For example, I will erase that. I will roll 2 dice, okay. Every die have six numbers, okay. Okay, but when you are rolling 2 dice, you have another 6 results for every die. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. Again here you have 1 2 3 4. So you create the elements for all the diagram. But if you check here, teacher, is not a tree diagram, okay. I use that kind of diagram because it's easiest to organize your information, but you can use the tree, yeah. The problem here is that exist so many possible results, so our tree diagram is very large. and you can, I don't know, I will select, yeah, something like that, and yeah, this is the diagram that you will create and will send me for the homework. Okay guys, this is all of today. See you. I will wait for your homework.